Is it?
Basically, it's ramped up from a tornado watch, a tornado watch plus, if you will.
What is it?
Look from our downtown cam pointed southwest. This is toward the storm in Creek County.
Oh.
Northeast, east-northeast at about 35 miles per hour. That will impact at least the south half of the metro area. And then I'll also take the view from our Brookside cam. Again, just seeing a lot of clouds and there's some rain in there.
What is it, Pugsley?
The true storm we're able to really track it is right here. This is George Fucking George.
Yes, Andy, can you hear me?
Yeah, George, tell me where you are. We've got your stream up live right now. Tell me where you are.
What is it?
What direction you're looking. What you're
Good boy.
Okay, Andy, right now we are coming into Tulsa. We're on kind of the southwest side of Tulsa on State Highway 117. The view that you're looking at, we're looking toward the southeast, so we're actually looking away from the storm. What we're trying to do is to get ahead of the storm so that we can practice to get a better view, vantage point. I do want to point out, here in Tulsa, they are sounding the tornado siren. So we are getting occasional hail, not steady hail, but we're getting rain with occasional quarter-size hail in our location, southwest of Tulsa.
And as I'm looking at, we've got your stream up, and I'm back here off in the weather center, just kind of looking at double Doppler too. Very quickly, George, I need to get off topic, but what you're looking at just very quickly. The Oklahoma storm now is a tornado briefly that has touched the ground. So I just throwing that in. Dan just warned about that. That's all of our Osage and Washington County activity going on up there. But the storm up there now producing a tornado. Go ahead, George. Now go back to the Tulsa County and tell me what's going on down there.
Okay, Andy. Just